Well, YouTubers, there it is. A new 2020 Magnum. Wanted to quick share this with you guys and see what you thought. I gotta move my truck here a little bit so I can take a look at it. There's your new Steiger sitting next to it. A couple new Steigers. 580s. A bunch of new combines too. They got it sitting next to an older tractor. The old style next to the new style. Not a lot of differences. Cabin lighting might be a little different. Otherwise it's the same tractor. But yeah, that's just gives you guys a gist of what it is. I'll get some shots of the cabin of coming days and stuff just to fill you in on it. Lots of stuff sitting here. Lots of combines, new, used. Lots of used stuff. Anyways, you guys like what you see, let me know what you think. Just getting prices to compare on tractors. I'll elaborate some more in a special video. So let me know what you guys all think. Please comment, rate, subscribe.